my channel. Long time no see यार. I mean birthday series के बाद तो मैं literally गुम हो चुकी थी. I know so many of you have been DMing me, writing me on my emails literally, and I know I was a little MIA for a while, but now I'm back. And Diwali आ चुकी है. It's not even around the corner. It's right here. And just like every year, I still don't have my outfit ready for Diwali. My mom always just runs around me for the whole time before Diwali, saying कि outfit ready कर, तू last moment पे सब कुछ करती है, don't do this time. But then I don't listen to her, and इस बार भी मैंने वही किया है, and I don't have my outfit ready. So here in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys few of last minute Diwali outfit ideas which you can prepare by yourself just by the pieces that you have at your home already. So you don't have to invest or make an outfit for Diwali specifically. So it's gonna be on budget, not gonna be making a hole on your pocket, and it's gonna be very creative. So if you guys also don't have your outfits ready just like me, then do let me know and join my gang in the comment section down below, because we guys are a community, the latecomers or the last minute people, you know what I mean. I hope I'm making some sense, because I can clearly say that I've lost my mind because there is so much to do and so little time, you guys. So I know सबको देर हो रही है and everybody is waiting for me to just begin with this video. So let's not blabber anymore and get started with this video. So for the first look, I'm wearing this black colored leggings along with this black colored blouse. So don't worry, I'm not gonna be wearing this as my outfit. I'm gonna amp it up a little bit. So when it comes to the blouse is a round deep neck blouse, and it has normal sleeves like the usual blouses have. But the twist is it has a very sexy back, and I love that about it. So this is how the back looks like. It is super hot. Now when it comes to my bottom section, I'm gonna be draping my mom's dupattas around my waist as a lehenga. So basically यहाँ पे बहुत प्यारे कलर, so यहाँ पे बहुत प्यारे कलर में लहंगे हैं मेरे पास. लहंगे नहीं, तो यहाँ पे बहुत प्यारे कलर में दुपट्टे हैं मेरे पास. एंड अभी मैं बस इनको ऐसे प्लीट्स लगा के ऐसे सारे दुपट्टे मेरे लेगिंग्स पे रैप करने वाली हूँ, सो दैट इट लुक्स लाइक अ लहंगा बट इट्स नॉट, एंड इट लुक्स रियली प्रिटी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस इज हाउ द होल दुपट्टा लुक्स लाइक. मेक श्योर कि जहाँ पे वर्क किया हुआ है आप वो साइड बाहर रखो, एंड देन ऐसे हाफ में फोल्ड कर दो. मेरी प्लीटिंग स्किल्स बहुत बेकार है, सो इफ यू हैव योर मदर और योर सिस्टर और योर भाभी और योर whoever around, then just grab her and ask her to help you. But because I'm alone right now, I'm just gonna try and mimic a pleat, so bear with me. I just don't know how to pleat, and I know this won't look that good because the pleats are gonna be totally wrong, but I'm sure it's gonna turn out amazing. जितनी लेंथ चाहिए आपको, ऐसे फ्लोर लेंथ चाहिए उतनी ले सकते हो. मुझे थोड़ी कम चाहिए तो मैं उस हिसाब से लूंगी, और बस पैंट के अंदर बस टक कर देना है. तो मैं बस ना ये प्लीट्स को थोड़ा इधर उधर शिफ्ट करूंगी सो दैट वो कवर हो जाए उतना एरिया. You see how beautiful does that look? So ऐसे ही हम सारे दुपट्टे all around our waist, we're just gonna wrap it and drape it with the pleats so that it looks like a lehenga. I'm just gonna do that and be right back within a second. So this is what the whole dupatta lehenga looks like, guys. I am obsessed with how this turned out. It looks so royal, so grand, and I really love the way it looks. So the only thing I did is just wrap the dupattas by pleating it together on 3 sides. So I've just used 3 dupattas, and that's how it's turned out. and I'm wearing a leggings inside. But if you don't want to wear a leggings, then you only got to do is just pin the sides of the dupattas so that it does not show. But I really don't mind the legging being shown because I think it's okay even if it's being seen. But yeah, I really like the way it turned out. It looks super nice, super festive. I love the colors how they're popping up, and I paired it up with this beautiful necklace, some earrings, and I think my look is already done and it looks so cute, so pretty. Okay, so now for the next look, I am going to be wearing this golden blouse. I've stitched it according to a crop top length, but it is a blouse technically, whatever. So I'm going to wear this top, and I'm going to be wearing this beautiful lehenga. It's a very casual lehenga. इतना heavy नहीं लगता है कि like हाँ खुद की शादी है ऐसे नहीं लगता है. It's a very nice, very chill. It's very comfortable actually. So I'm gonna be wearing that. So I got this lehenga 4-5 years ago from FBB, and I think most of the girls that time had this lehenga skirt along with the top that it came with. Every time I used to wear this outside, I used to see some or the other girl wearing this, and I was like, oh god, we're toiling and we don't even know each other. So that was awkward. But then this is how the skirt looks like. It's very nice. I love the color. It actually matches with this blue wall, no? But then anyways, so I'm gonna be wearing this. मुझे इसके साथ दुपट्टा नहीं pair करना because वो सब लोग करते हैं and I want to do something else. So that's why I'm gonna be pairing a jacket on top. Just play around with colors and keep in mind that everything should be in sync. कुछ ऐसे different नहीं लगना चाहिए. Everything should just tie together like a whole one piece. This is the jacket that I'm talking about. It matches perfectly with this teal colored thing on the bottom, and I am so happy that I coincidentally found this in my mom's closet. So most of the outfits here that I'm showing you are stolen from my mom's. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. I love this. It looks so modern and very 2020 kind of outfit. It's a regular traditional outfit nahi lag raha hai. Like I like it. It's very cool and super comfortable, and it's my style. It's like Indo-Western. I love this. So I'm wearing this very beautiful jhumkis that I got a long time ago, and I feel without anything else bhi ये look बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. But I feel like I need a little bit of more glam. So that's why I'm gonna wear this thing. I don't remember what it's called right now, but then I know it looks really pretty with this. Hi, कितना प्यारा लग रहा है ये नजर ना लगे. So yeah guys, this is the second outfit and I am loving this. I literally dig this outfit. I think it looks so good. It looks very modern, very chic. It doesn't look too much. It looks very chill, very casual and perfect for Diwali parties and stuff like that. So I really like this, yeah. I mean, मैंने सोचा नहीं था इतना अच्छा लगेगा. I had this in my mind, but then didn't know it would execute so well. But digging this. Okay, so as I told you, I'm gonna be styling this skirt again for my third outfit. I'm gonna be wearing this skirt like a tube anarkali. So this is a very beautiful teal colored palazzo which goes really well with the inner lining that I just showed you. So I think it would be perfect to get like a very modern chic look for this Diwali. Just like that, you just put it on, okay? And जैसे आप usually tie करते हो इसको, you just need to tie it like the usual. Zip नहीं लग रही है अच्छे से. I need someone's help. जैसे हम यूजुअली ऐसे टाई करते हैं, यहाँ पे रस्सी वही बांधनी है. So just twist it on the side, and if you want, you can still wear your blouse inside. I think it would look good if you wear like a normal sleeve blouse or like a full sleeve blouse. बहुत प्यारा लगेगा. I think it would look like एक पूरा one piece है वो like blouse और ये tube attached है. You can definitely go ahead and not show enough skin if you don't want to. But for all my experimental ladies out there, shout out to you guys and shout out for me as well, because I would love to wear this outfit without a blouse inside and it would look so amazing, so hot. And I'm gonna be back by just taking this out. If you guys want to go out like this without anything on the top, go ahead, do your thing. But if you guys want to like cover up a little bit more, you have your jacket for your rescue. कोई भी contrasting jacket ले लो for that instance and just throw it on. That's it. अगर नया अनारकली नहीं भी है, girls, you have all the outfit pieces in your closet already to have a beautiful looking Diwali outfit. See how gorgeous does that look? बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है, बहुत फेस्टिव लग रहा है. It is actually very comfortable. I thought comfortable नहीं होगा because I'm having this knot and this zipper on this side. So I'm shooting this look for a while now and this hasn't fallen off. So it's quite comfortable and secure. Loving the color scheme here, loving the color board and the details, the lace, the net, the gota patti, the mirror work, loving it. So do let me know if you guys want to try this look for this Diwali, and don't forget to tag me in your pictures if you recreate the look, guys. I've seen many a times you do recreate my stuff and you don't tag me, yaar. I feel so sad. Please ऐसे मत क्या करो, थोड़ा बहुत credit दिया करो यार. Very casual, very pretty, very chill, very much my vibe actually, and I'm liking this. Jacket नहीं है, I'm sorry, I have a little cold. But coming back, अगर जैकेट नहीं है ना, तो भी जो आपने नीचे बॉटम में पहना है, प्लेन कलर का बॉटम अगर पहना है, just go ahead and wear the same color दुपट्टा. इसके साथ I'm telling you guys, trust me, अगर व्हाइट प्लाजो भी होगा ना तो भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. गोल्डन प्लाजो होगा तो भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. जस्ट पेयर इट अप विद द सेम दुपट्टा एंड यू विल बी गुड टू गो, मैन. I'm just gonna take this off and be right back with the dupatta and show you guys how that look turned out. So ये रहा दुपट्टा. This is again the same teal colored dupatta which goes well with this teal colored palazzo. And here it is, you have your Diwali outfit ready, you guys. I've just worn it like to my neck, but if you want you can like be a sharif and do your usual desi thing, like cover it up for the relatives. You can be sexy and sanskari at the same time. Wear it like this. ऐसे भी अच्छा लगेगा वैसे, you know, just on one shoulder. How cute. ऐसे जैसे भी पहनना है पहनो यार, और जो भी पहनना है पहनो. Just like I always say, nobody should tell you what to wear, and you have all the rights to wear whatever you want. So just go ahead, experiment and live your life, dude. Life is too short to wear boring clothes, you know. So just experiment and be happy. अभी मुझे याद नहीं है ये कौन से नंबर का लुक है, बट whatever. I'm wearing this ready-made stretchable blouse, but this is in a very beige nude color, and I think it comes very close to the golden color, and that's why I got this golden and maroon printed, very festive, very chatak, blingy looking Diwali appropriate palazzo pants. And if you accessorize it well, I think it could turn out to be a very beautiful outfit, you know. Nowadays sleeves are making a great statement. So if you have anything which has bold or very out there sleeves, मेरे पास actually था white color का ruffle sleeveless top था, and somehow I don't know, I donated it to someone and now I miss it. You know, that's what happens when you donate things and you declutter your closet. But anyways, I have this now and I think I can make this work actually. So I'm just giving you guys an example. अगर आपके पास ऐसा कुछ नहीं है similar top या blouse, आप normal white color का top या black color का crop top भी पहन सकते हो, and even that would look amazing, you guys. So just pair your heavy palazzo pants or any heavy bottoms with that plain black or white top and just accessorize, you'll be good to go. Oops. By the way, this was from W, if you guys are wondering. आधा ही निकला यार. मैंने बस ये मरून कलर का चोकर था मेरे पास, मरून और गोल्डन. आई थॉट इट गोज रियली वेल विद दिस पैंट, सो मैंने बस वो पहना है. और कानों में ना छोटे से ऐसे डायमंड और गोल्डन के इयररिंग्स नहीं होते लटकन वाले, तो वो पहने. एंड आई थिंक विदाउट एनी हैवी इयररिंग्स और मांग टीकास, दिस लुक एक्चुअली लुक्स वेरी नाइस एंड सोफिस्टिकेटेड. सो आई डोंट थिंक मुझे और कुछ ऐड करने की जरूरत है. बस आई फील मेरा थोड़ा ऐसा टमी दिख रहा है, so I'll have to wear a tummy tucker inside. But overall looks के हिसाब से I feel it looks very nice. So as I said, अगर आपके पास नहीं है कुछ करने के लिए, like to experiment, you don't have stuff around, just grab a heavy palazzo and just pair it up with a nice plain solid color white or black colored crop top and accessorize. That's it. You don't even need to do anything extra. You'll just be sorted for Diwali. If you guys are here on my channel since the beginning of it, you might have already guessed कि मुग्धा रोकड़े के फैशन वीडियो में अगर व्हाइट ऑन व्हाइट आउटफिट नहीं होगा तो वो मुग्धा रोकड़े का फैशन वीडियो है ही नहीं. ठीक है, so this is like my jam, you guys. So I am obsessed with white on white. White is my favorite color, if you guys didn't know this before. But this is a special one because it is a Diwali outfit, so it had to be a little more glam. I'm wearing this very flowy, very comfortable, my favorite white palazzo pants along with this white color crop top. I got this from Shein a long time ago. But I'm sure आपके पास white color का कोई भी crop top तो रहेगा ही रहेगा. Just pair your white palazzos with your white crop top, and for the glam factor here, add a heavy दुपट्टा. मेरे पास जो heavy दुपट्टा है वो इतना heavy नहीं है, but that is the most heavy that I have in my collection. Actually in my mom's collection. So अगर आपके पास heavy दुपट्टा है, any heavy dupatta, just grab it and add it on, and you are gonna be sorted just like that. I'm telling you, you will look so classy, so chic, so perfect. It's just gonna look amazing. I'm gonna be back with my dupatta and show you guys my whole look. Alright you guys, so this is how my outfit turned out just by putting a heavy dupatta. I'm wearing this very beautiful hot pink colored dupatta with embroidery work. Love this dupatta because it just looks so heavy and goes perfectly with this outfit and gives me the right amount of glam that I want. So this is how it looks like. I've added this beautiful earrings, golden earrings, and this mang tika as well. Looks very pretty, very elegant, and love this outfit. You can even like tuck this inside like so, and like just, you know, throw this on your shoulder just like that. कैसे भी ले सकते हो, ऐसे तो आप दुपट्टा आपकी मर्जी, but then I am liking this way. So and yeah guys, that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys had fun watching. this and found this video helpful. I'm so glad I did this video very last moment as well, because उससे ना मेरी थोड़ी बहुत तो प्रिपरेशन हो चुकी है, थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया आ चुका है कि हाँ मुझे कौन से आउटफिट्स पहनने हैं, कौन से नहीं पहनने हैं, मैं किसके साथ काम कर चला सकती हूँ, किसके साथ नहीं चला सकती हूँ. सो ओवरऑल आई थिंक आई एम क्वाइट सॉर्टेड. सो अगर आपको भी हेल्प हो चुकी है मेरी उतनी, then please let me know in the comment section. I'm waiting for you guys, and you guys know I love responding to your comments, and मेरा aim बस यही रहता है to just help you guys out in some way or another. So अगर आपको मेरी हेल्प हो चुकी है तो मेरी भी हेल्प कर दो, just by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, sharing this video and commenting all the good things that you liked about this video. And I'm gonna be seeing you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, comment, bell button, and Happy Diwali!